Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 18 update with Lore. So how is it going so far?
It's good. Yeah, I'm
How was
okay.
the last week?
I gained 2 pounds,
Okay.
but I'm not worried.
Okay. So last week wasn't the best, so
No.
you gained
No.
some weight. Do you think you still can hit your final goal, which is 136 pounds in 2 weeks?
Yes, I can. So that's
Like 4 or 5 pounds, I think, something like that.
Yes,
in
yeah.
2 weeks.
No problem.
And considering that the last week wasn't the best week you
No.
like you
No.
had before, but where the confidence is coming from? Like usually people when they don't do it properly, they will start losing motivation and they quit
Yeah.
and they will just go back to their old eating habits.
and that's what's interesting about this week, because at first, for a while there, I thought, oh no, I'm eating all this stuff that is not good for me.
Yeah.
And I thought, oh, I know I'm going to gain. And then I thought, that's okay, because I know how to lose. And losing it comes almost as easy as gaining it. And so then I said to myself, no worries. I'll just start back up again my next week, and I'll just do better. And just like you say all the time, and how your program is change the mindset.
Yes.
I think you always say.
That's right.
Like my mindset's different because now I know what to
That's
do,
right.
and I feel like a freedom that I can lose when I want to lose.
And this is exactly what we did in the first 10 weeks. Like we were focusing more on the educational portion
Yes.
of this program more than how much weight each one of us will lose,
Yes.
right? Then it's a human nature. We go outside, we socialize, we eat sometimes food that's not the best for us.
Yeah.
But the good thing, if you have the tools how to control your weight or how to control your health, that will help a lot.
Oh
right?
yeah, I feel it is already. Like
Yeah.
I just can't believe that I'm not panicking.
Yes.
That oh no, I gained that 2 pounds,
That's right.
and I don't feel worried at all.
That's good. Okay, so let's wait and see next week, and I look forward to having a follow-up interview with you next week.
Yeah,
Thank
me
you.
too.
Thank you.